If your English fluency is the same as it was in last December, then nothing changed. Only the calendar did. Your real issue is that you do not have English learning proper protocol. There's no system, there's no method, there's no routine. So let me give you 5 English learning methods which can upgrade your weak English into strong and confident English. You must watch this video till the end because this video is going to give you fluency. Method number 1. If 1 hour of English speaking practice seems to you impossible, then practice for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Nobody is giving you guidelines here. We are just saying that please you just start speaking practice. That's what we want. And after that you can expand your time. So now in these 20 minutes what you have to do, I will give you 30 questions of list in the chat box and you just have to practice this. These are the question answers which often strangers ask to you. And that time you feel blank. You do not have any words there. That's why this number 1 method will give you confidence. Method number 2, surround yourself with people who appreciate your decision of learning English. They should not mock you. If you stay around toxic people, you will be always stuck. Surround yourself with people who always focuses on their improvement, not pointing out others' flaws, and most importantly, surround yourself with English environment. Method number 3, repetition. I know it sounds ridiculous, but repetition is vital. Repeat what you watch, repeat what you read, repeat what you listen. You cannot watch a single video for 3 times and you expect to remember a vocabulary in just one go. How it can be possible? You have to repeat the content which you consume so that you can remember things. Method number 4, remember the purpose. Why are you learning English? Why are you watching this video? You have to do something with English or you are just doing time pass here. Whenever you don't feel like practicing English, just remember the purpose, that why are you learning English? And one more thing, do not glorify this language. It's a language and with consistency, with practice, anybody can speak it. It's not a rocket science which only a few people can learn it. Method number 5, what will you do now? You have watched this video, you got all the 5 methods. Now what will you do? Actions. You have to take actions now. Without actions, everything is waste of time, waste of energy. That's it for today's video. I hope you got some kind of knowledge and some motivation. So start taking actions and do not forget to subscribe for more such content. Bye-bye.